ये वीडियो ओरिजिनली इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में है। इसे हिंदी में देखने के लिए सेटिंग्स में जाकर हिंदी ऑडियो चूज करें। Namaskar. Welcome back to Simplify Your Space. Last year, I started a series on trending home organizing products where I try out new, trendy, and viral products to organize a particular area of the house and share my honest reviews with you all. If you haven't watched those videos yet, you will find the playlist link in the description box. These videos help you understand the look and feel of the products and also how they can actually be used in the real life. So if you're looking for new organizing products for your home, it can make your decision a little easier. Continuing the same series, today I will be sharing some makeup and jewelry organizing products with you. I hope you will find this video helpful. So let's get started. First, let's look at some makeup organizers. The first product is this cosmetic vanity box, which I found really interesting. The quality is very good and it has a very premium look and feel. At the top, there is a large section to store toiletries and skincare items. Then below, there are two drawers for makeup products. On one side, there is additional space for lipsticks and nail paints, and on the other side, there are small sections for keeping everyday small essentials. You can easily store a lot of products in the vanity box. If you don't have a separate dressing table at home and are looking for a good organizer for your makeup and skincare items, this can be really useful. One more good thing is that all your products stay protected from dust since nothing is left exposed. It also looks very beautiful on top of a dresser and gives a very aesthetic look. You can even keep it in a guest room or your kids' room to store their daily essentials. And since you just have to place it on a table without fixing it anywhere, it's also renter friendly. Talking about the price, it is slightly expensive at around Rs 2000, but considering the quality and functionality, I genuinely feel it's worth it. This is another cosmetic holder in a similar style, but the design is slightly different. And honestly, this one is also quite spacious. It also has a large section on the top and two drawers at the bottom, but this one doesn't have side sections. Along with it, you also get a separate makeup brush organizer, which you can either keep inside the box or place outside. It also has a handle for easy carrying. I really like the color of this one. The quality is quite good and it can hold a lot of products easily. You can definitely keep it on your dresser table, but if you have limited space at home or live in a rented house without a separate dressing table, you can even keep it inside your wardrobe. Compared to the previous one, this is slightly more affordable. It costs around Rs 1700. Next is this very useful makeup brush holder. It's made of plastic and comes with an acrylic sliding cover to keep the brushes protected from dust. It also rotates, which makes selecting and accessing the brushes really easy. So if you do makeup regularly and own quite a few brushes, this organizer can be really useful for you. The only small issue is that if smaller brushes slide to the side, it can become slightly difficult to close the cover properly. But if you adjust the brushes a little on the other side, it closes easily. Overall, I found it quite useful. But yes, it is on the slightly costlier side, around Rs 700. So if you don't own too many makeup brushes, then you probably won't need this organizer. This is a transparent fluted acrylic holder for cotton swabs and makeup pads. It has two separate sections. One side can be used for cotton pads to remove makeup and the other side is storing for cotton swabs. It's a small product but very convenient for keeping these everyday essentials organized. You can place it on your dresser or even in your bathroom. The cost of this one is around rupees 350. So these were some makeup organizers. Now let's move on to jewelry organizers. First, let's look at some bangle organizers. The first bangle organizer is this very pretty and premium looking bangle box. It's a beautiful shiny pink wooden box with a golden lock in the front. It's quite spacious and comes with 4 rods inside to store bangles. A lot of bangles can fit in it easily. This is a really good option if you love bangles and want to store them properly and safely. Yes, the box is slightly big, so it will take up some storage space. But in terms of quality, the price feels completely justified. It costs around rupees 650. You can even give this to your friends and family. If you don't want to spend too much and are looking for something more budget friendly to organize your bangles, then you can go for these plastic bangle boxes. They can also hold quite a lot of bangles neatly, and because they're transparent, you can easily see all the bangles kept inside. Quality wise, I would say it's decent, not premium, but good enough for everyday use. And that's also why the price is quite affordable, around rupees 200. If you have limited space but still want to keep your bangles well organized, then you can try this very good quality stainless steel bangle organizing hanger. It comes with 4 anti-slip rods that are nicely cushioned to store bangles safely. The rods can be locked and unlocked very easily. You can store quite a lot of bangles in it at one time. The best part is that all your bangles remain easily visible, which makes selecting them much easier. And at the same time, it fits into your closet without taking up much space. Its price is around rupees 600, which I personally felt justified. Overall, the product is really good and very useful. Now let's look at some jewelry organizers. The first one is this acrylic earring organizer. It comes in parts like this and you have to assemble it yourself, which is actually very easy. The base rotates 360 degrees and once assembled, it looks something like this. You can hang quite a lot of earrings in it. There is also space here where you can hang your neck chains. Basically, this is more of a display organizer. All your earrings stay clearly visible, and because it rotates, accessing any pair becomes really easy. If your home doesn't get too much dust or if you plan to keep it inside a closed cabinet, then this can be a very useful organizer for you. Otherwise, keeping it outside openly may affect the jewelry over time. This organizer is especially useful if you own a lot of earrings and like changing them regularly. So if you want to display your earrings in an organized way, this is a nice option. It costs around rupees 400. If you have a smaller jewelry collection and want to display it neatly on your table, then this is another beautiful organizer you can consider. It's a metal and wood jewelry organizer and both the quality and look of it are really nice. At the top, you can display your earrings. Below that, there is space to store your bangles. On the side, you can hang your daily wear necklaces, and on the wooden base at the bottom, you can keep a few more jewelry pieces. It's a very cute and functional organizer, but yes, it's suitable mainly for limited jewelry. You can use it to store the jewelry pieces that you wear daily, especially for office or regular outings. The only drawback is that if your home gets a lot of dust, the jewelry may get affected over time since everything stays exposed. And it is also on the costlier side. The price of this organizer is rupees 1000. The next product falls into the same category as the bangle hanger I showed you earlier. This is a jewelry hanger. In this as well, you can hang your earrings and neck pieces. If you have limited space, you can simply hang this inside your closet to organize your jewelry. The drawback is that hook style earrings are easy to access, but studs or regular earrings with back screws can be slightly difficult to access in this organizer. But overall, it's a good option if your main goal is to save space. The next organizer is this jewelry binder, which looks like a binder book. Inside it has these small pouches where you can segregate and store your jewelry neatly. Both the binder and the inner pouches are of very good quality. But yes, it can hold only a limited amount of jewelry. Mostly small earrings and 1 or 2 bigger pieces can fit inside. I feel this is more useful for travel purposes. If you're attending a wedding, a function, or going on a trip, you can carry your jewelry in a very organized way. The best thing is that all your options remain clearly visible, which makes selection easy. But as I mentioned, it's not very versatile. Since there are not too many pouches, you can't store a large collection in it. And price-wise also, it is slightly on the expensive side at around Rs 800. The next product is this acrylic jewelry box that comes with 10 individual transparent boxes to keep your jewelry stored separately and neatly. You can store your delicate jewelry pieces in these boxes like stone necklaces, chains, bangles, and similar items. This helps prevent the jewelry from getting mixed up, and every piece stays safely stored in its own compartment. Since the boxes are transparent, you can easily see and access any jewelry piece without searching through everything. One more good thing is that if you need just one particular jewelry piece, you can directly take out that individual box and even carry it while traveling. But since they are small and slim, only limited items can fit inside, like the ones I showed you. Bigger necklaces or large earrings like jhumkas won't fit properly in these boxes. Overall, it's a cute and useful organizer if you want to store your delicate jewelry pieces separately. The cost of this one is around Rs 375. Moving ahead, now let's see how you can organize jewelry sets. For organizing jewelry sets, you will find organizers like these. They come with one main cushion zipper box, and inside it there are around 5 to 6 individual zipper pouches, something like these. You can neatly store your beautiful jewelry sets inside these pouches. Since the pouches are thick and cushioned, the jewelry remains protected and safe. And whenever you need to attend a function or travel somewhere, you can simply take the particular pouch and carry in it your bag. There is no need to shift the jewelry into another box or pouch every time. These organizers are usually available in the 400 to 500 range. There is another organizer in a similar style where transparent pouches are attached inside a cushion zipper bag. Some pouches are small and some are bigger, so you can segregate different jewelry pieces properly. These are also very useful and you can store quite a lot of jewelry in them at one time. In the bigger pouches, you can keep your jewelry sets, and in the smaller ones, you can store fancy earrings, jhumkas, and kadas. The best part is that a lot of jewelry fits into one single bag, and it almost works like a display book where all your jewelry pieces remain visible. So you can easily match and select them with your outfits without even taking them out of the pouches. The only drawback is that the pouches are attached, so you can't remove just one individual pouch separately. Either you will have to transfer the jewelry into another pouch or carry the whole organizer along. For weddings and functions, though, this is a really good option when you need to carry multiple jewelry pieces for different events. And this is quite affordable too. You can get a set of 2 boxes for around Rs 400 to 500. The next product is these transparent zipper pouches for storing all your jewelry pieces individually. And honestly, this is my personal favorite. If you don't want to invest too much in organizers, then you can simply go for these types of pouches. You can store different jewelry sets and bangles in separate pouches. They help keep your jewelry protected, prevents the polish from getting damaged, and since they are transparent, all the pieces remain easily visible. They are also extremely useful for travel because they take up very little space. And the best part is that they are very affordable too. You can get around 15 pouches for Rs 150 to 200. So these were some of today's trending jewelry organizers. Honestly, there is no shortage of organizers in the market, but choosing the right organizer is very important. Many times we don't properly understand our own requirements and end up buying products just because they look nice on shopping websites. But it's always better to think carefully and do a little research before buying, because the wrong organizer can end up creating more clutter instead of organizing your space, and your money gets wasted too. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you're looking for makeup or jewelry organizers, I hope this helped make your decision a little easier. Also, do let me know in the comments which other organizers you would like to see videos on. I'll definitely try to make videos on those as well. You will find the Amazon links for all the products in the description box, and I've also tagged some of the products directly in the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and share it. And subscribe to Simplify Your Space for more videos like this. I'll see you all in the next one. Until then, happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.